So first thing first, detach this initial coil. And take this 10mm out. And unplug this. It doesn't matter which one you put, it's the same, okay? Same coil. And take the cover bolt right here. Okay, this clip right here holding it. And push this and then pull up like that. And push to that, so that will come out like this. Take out this right here. This bolt right here needs to come off, so it will be free from. It's out too. Okay, taking down this bolt right here, that holding this line right here, so it will, when detached from the back here, it will come off. I will detach the sensor, that bolt holding the sensor down here, and I will taking down this little tiny hole that connecting to the sensor. Show you that. See this right here, and disconnect this right here. This line, and disconnect from here. Oop, coolant's coming off. I will detach this right here, so it will make me more room on the line. You can go around without taking this bracket out, but I would say better just take this out. It's detached right here, and then take out this two holes right here, yank it to the side. Okay. Okay. Now I pop this out. So ready to take the valve cover gasket bolt. Okay, this side. Okay, last one over here. Let me detach this right here first. This kind of on the way, so I need to detach right here. Okay, the one right here kind of out of my way, so I will not take the one. I'm going to take the one down here instead on the one up there. Okay. And I will pull this up like this. Now you can flip this up like this. Okay, there's a clip that holding on this side the sensor over here. So take this clip out too. Come up a little bit further. Okay. And then the second one. Okay. All right. Both hoses out. Now I can. Okay. now I'll get this out of the way. There. See this how this gasket here is so soft. Okay, that means that this gasket here is still very good. If this hard, then yeah, replace it. But car's still pretty new, so this will never get hard yet. Make sure clean all this oil that on top of the valve cover here. Okay, there's a 4 edges and have some silicone on it, so make sure you take the old silicone out and repatch with the new silicone. Alright, so now you need to clean with the cart cleaner. Okay, make sure clean this line here and no oils inside here, because if you don't clean here, maybe sticky oils inside here, and then your gasket will maybe slip. So when the gasket slip, then you're gonna get an oil leak again. So make sure clean it real good. Okay, I will blow with the air so it will dry fast. Alright, so now to put the new ones in. This is a self-explain, so you don't have to watch this right here. You can skip this up. And this is OEM part from Honda. Make sure spray some cart cleaner to here, and then clean the top of where the valve covers gasket sitting. Okay, make sure it's clean this really good to make sure no oil actually, and let it dry before you put in the gasket. Use silicone to put right there where the crack. Okay, a little bit tiny right here. Make sure it stay there to helping seal that crack right here, not get leak. And 2 more over here. So when you put it in, make sure the gasket is not fall off. If the gasket fall off, then you have to fix it. Otherwise it will leak again. Make sure that the seal inside here, it fit before you pressing down. Okay, if this not fit, you force it and this torn, then you will have oil leak to the spark plug. So make sure that fit. You can do a crisscross on this. Tight a little bit, and then I will torque this to this foot-pound of this super. On this, about 72 inch-pound. Okay, and you can do hand tight, it don't matter. Just don't break this valve cover, that's all. You can do hand tight. This is not a big deal. About 82, 83. 90 inch-pound, that's fine. If you don't have inch-pound, you can do foot-pound, like 8 foot-pound, something like that. Okay, 8 foot-pound should be good, you know. Okay, that's it. Connect the other, and you are done, ready to go. So the rest, you just waste your time to watch this. So don't forget to put your coolants on it, because you open in the line and coolants leak. So make sure top off your coolant. Maybe half a liter, you know, 13-14 ounce of Honda coolant or drinking water should be fine with that. And thank you for watching, and thank you for stopping by my channel and help me watching my video, and subscribe too. Bye bye now. See you guys next video.